Hello, welcome back again. So, update on the Woodland Mills wood chipper. Yes, I was testing its limits, and as mentioned previously, there's a few things I can adjust, which one is the speed of those rollers inside, and I'm going to adjust it right now to pretty slow. We have the numbers from 1 to 10. I put it on 2. It was going kind of fast. This is another thing to adjust, is the tensioner. I'm sure if I read the directions, I would have been able to adjust it appropriately, but I did not. So, but anyway, that's one of the adjustments there also. And so what it's going to do is slow down that gear right there. That's what pulls the wood into the chipper, which is inside of here, the actual blade. So anyway, yeah, I gummed it up last time. It kind of stopped working. It didn't break any shear bolts. What sounded like, what it seemed like and smelled like was it was a belt that was slipping. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this screw off. My understanding is you just pop this screw off right here and it should swivel open. So let me go ahead and get that done here real quick. Yeah, well, you don't need a wrench or anything on that. Good, nice and heavy. Okay, so this is the blade. I guess these is what takes the chips and throws them up that chute right there. Just kind of flings them around and then they come out the chute. Here are the blades right here. So I just need to find out what I did to this to make it stop working. It looks like whatever it is going to be internal. So from here you can see those teeth that turn and drive the wood in through here, and then it hits this big blade wheel. And then I don't think you can see, but in there are some belts. So what I need to figure out is how, see, it still makes really nice wood chips. I need to figure out how, one, to get this turned, because it doesn't want to turn, and 2, I need to figure out how to get to it to make it turn. So I'm gonna look into that, and I won't bore you with the minor details of it. I'm gonna try to figure it out, and then I'll get back with y'all. But first, I'm gonna assume this was, sorry, that sun is glaring away. All this marking here is I'm gonna guess maybe the wood just sitting there burning on it or something. So anyway, we'll get it figured out here. I'll get right back with you. Okay, so I'm figuring it out. Yes, there are in fact 3 belts here. Comes off the PTO shaft, which is here, hooks up to the tractor, which is not there. And then of course this, here's your tensioner. It spins this. Also on the back of here where your PTO hooks up, it drives the hydraulic pump. That's right there, that gray box. Anyway, we have 4 belts. So your 4 belts turn the flywheel. And yes, it moves now. So what I ended up doing was taking off these tensioners, which lifts up that big old metal wheel in there. Yes, it's propped up with a sledgehammer. I'm not able to pick this back up, so I just have to use my pry bar to get things out. So here's the piece of wood got stuck in there. You could see the piece of the sledgehammer on the other side. And you can see the flywheel kinda in the very front there. So try this forward. There. That's that. And then, well, can't see there. But here's the culprit. It's a pretty neat design on there. I don't know what happened. Somehow I got pinched in there. Hey, welcome back again. So I got something behind me, a little redemption. I got the Woodland Mills WC88 chipper on. I got the trailer kit for it, or the hitch for it, so I have a little trailer behind me. I also have some fencing. I'm gonna run and do some fencing, and then along the way, going to kind of grind some wood. So, little redemption. We'll get some video of it, and I know it'll work just fine. Going over a hill. I know it'll work just fine, and kind of excited to get this stuff done. Have some help with me today, so big help. So, all right, I'll get with y'all here shortly, and we'll see this thing running again. All right, I'm back. So I got this thing running again now. I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe I had it too slow. Oh, okay, so it does stop it. I guess that squeaky was the valve. Right there, that's about number 2. Alright, so I got that trailer mount right there. A little bit shot in there already. Let's see how this thing works now. Kind of trying to do this one-handed. Yeah, I got to adjust that. Let me get it adjusted real quick. Try to get it into the trailer. It's a small trailer. I'm hoping it'll work. There's a lot of trees that I cut down, so just thought I'd chip them up right now. Spit it out. I really should be wearing gloves.
for me. All right.
Well, thanks. I'm going to get back to work. It's about 300 degrees and about 400% humidity. So we're going to get started on this fence, and I'm going to chip some wood. I'll talk to y'all shortly.